unique charm of our school garden, which not only nurtures plants but also welcomes our feathered friends.
That's right. Our garden is more than just greenery. It's a sanctuary where nature and learning come together in harmony. By the way, I'm Alessius. Hi friends.
Hi friends, I'm Erwin. In our garden, we have everything from fruits like pineapples to beautiful flowers and herbs like curry leaf and sacha inchi. Ah, nice smell. It's like a mini oasis right here on our school grounds.
Hey Erwin, do you know the use of curry leaf?
Yes, my mother always add curry leaf to her chicken curry. It makes the curry more delicious. Yummy.
I heard someone mention about chicken curry. Suddenly, I feel hungry.
What makes our garden extra special is our birdcage, where we have a variety of birds such as finches, canaries, or maybe even a parrot.
Taking care of both the garden and our feathered friends requires dedication and teamwork. Thanks to our school gardeners, Aunt Selena and Aunt Angela, who always work hard to keep our garden clean and well maintained. They also take turns feeding the birds, cleaning their cage, and ensuring they have a safe and comfortable environment. Thank you.
And don't forget, sometimes our school will also hold gotong royong activities where parents have the opportunity to help our school clean up the school garden area.
That's right.
We are very grateful because our garden and birdcage provide countless learning opportunities for us. We can study the behaviors of birds, their diet, and how to care for them responsibly. It's not just about textbook. It's hands-on education that teaches us compassion and respect for all living creatures.
The green plants in our garden provide a cool and comfortable environment and even function to stabilize the temperature of our school environment. And also, having birds in our garden isn't just for show. They help control pests naturally, like eating insects that might harm our plants. Plus, their presence adds to the biodiversity of our school ecosystem, making it a richer environment for everyone.
At the moment, our school is doing a pineapple garden project. It is hoped that this project will be able to give students an idea of the benefits of farming. What is even more interesting is the fish pond in our pineapple garden. The fish pond is managed by parents appointed by our school.
In conclusion, our school garden and birdcage aren't just spaces. They are living classrooms where we grow, learn, and connect with nature every day.
We invite you all to come visit, observe our garden and feathered friends. See the first hand the magic of learning in such a nurturing environment.
Thank you for joining us today. We hope you're as excited about our garden and birdcage as we are. Together, let's continue to cherish and care for our natural world.